Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love beautiful crochet fashion, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends who enjoy handmade style. Let's explore today's amazing collection of crochet shirt tops, sweater and skirt designs that are full of creativity and fashion inspiration. Crochet fashion is becoming more popular every year because it combines comfort, elegance and handmade beauty. In today's collection, you will discover a wonderful mix of stylish crochet shirts, trendy tops, cozy sweaters, and fashionable skirts that can inspire your next outfit or crochet project. Every design has its own personality, making crochet one of the most versatile fashion trends. Some crochet shirts feature delicate lace patterns that create a light and elegant look, while others use textured stitches for a more modern and casual appearance. These shirts look beautiful with jeans, trousers, shorts, or even matching crochet skirts. Whether you prefer oversized styles or fitted designs, crochet shirts can easily become a favorite piece in your wardrobe. As you continue watching, you will notice crochet tops in many different styles. Some have simple round necks, while others feature V-neck or shoulder designs. Bright colors create a cheerful summer vibe, while natural shades offer timeless elegance that never goes out of style and fashion. Small details like flower motifs, granny squares, geometric patterns, and openwork stitches make every top unique. The collection also includes crochet sweaters that are perfect for cooler weather, from chunky texture patterns to lightweight, elegant sweaters. From each designs offer warmth without sacrificing style. Some sweaters feature oversized sleeves, ribbed cuffs, beautiful cable inspired textured, or colorful strip combinations that make them stand out. These sweaters pair beautifully with denim leggings or fashionable skirts for complete season outfits. Crochet skirts add another level of creativity to handmade fashion. You will see mini skirts, neoline styles, elegant midi designs. Some skirts use classic granny square patterns. Whether worn casually or for special occasions, crochet skirts always bring a unique handmade charm. One of the best things about crochet fashion is how easily different pieces can be mixed together. A crochet top with a matching skirt creates a beautiful coordinated outfit. A crochet sweater layered over a shirt gives style and comfortable look. A simple crochet shirt paired with a colorful handmade skirt creates an outfit that's both fashionable and unique. Mixing colors, textures, and stitch patterns allow endless possibilities for creating your own signature style. You will notice how different yarn choices completely transform your each designs. Pastel shades offer a soft, elegant appearance, while bold colors make every design vibrant and eye-catching. Even classical black and white combinations remain timeless and sophisticated. Whether you enjoy classical handmade fashion or modern crochet trends, this collection offers inspiration for every taste. Every picture showcases the incredible creativity of crochet artists and remind us that handmade fashion never loses its charm. These designs prove that crochet is no longer just traditional craftsmanship, it's a stylish statement that continue to inspire fashion lovers around the world. We hope this crochet shirt tops, sweaters, and skirt designs gives you the plenty of fresh ideas for your wardrobe or your next crochet project. Let us know in the comments which design impressed you the most and which design style you would love to wear. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crochet, beautiful handmade ideas and inspiration, and share it with your friends who appreciate beautiful handmade designs. Thank you for watching and we will see you in our next crochet fashion collection. So if you are pick beautiful design, please watch whole video till the end. This video really have to Choose beautiful pattern and design for your project and stylish. Thanks for watching.